So.
I take it back.
What? Severus. Yeah.
Did you start it already?
It's okay, I can edit it out.
Severus. Snipe. Okay, that sounds good.
Good.
Snipe.
Do it for 4 minutes.
Okay. And I guess we can edit that part in, like where we go do 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 do.
Which part's that?
Did I need to start
The first
already?
part. Okay, get down, you can see your feather. What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe. Severus Snipe. Snipe, snipe. Severus Snipe.
Dumbledore!
Snipe. Severus Snipe.
Dumbledore!
Snipe. Severus Snipe.
Dumbledore!
Ron. Snipe.
Ron.
Severus
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Snipe.
Ron.
Severus
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Severus
Weasley.
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, that's me! Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter!
Severus
Harry Potter, Harry
Dumbledore!
Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Harry, Snape, Snape!
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Snipe.
Ron.
Snipe.
Ron.
Severus
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron.
Snipe.
Ron.
Severus Snipe.
Dumbledore!
Sing your song all day long and Hogwarts!
Oh, guys, I found the source of the mysterious ticking noise. It's a pipe bomb. Yay!
This would be Drew.
Voldemort.
No, it's ha 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 ha.
Voldemort.
Voldemort.
Voldy!
Voldemort.
Ba-da-dum-dum-dum-dum.
Dumb.
Yay!
And
Go beginner guitar because we're totally doing beginner guitar.
Because I'm totally doing guitar right now.
So, are we gonna do a cast thing again, or?
We're guitar
Should we take a bow?
Alright, everyone up front.
Yeah.
You know you're in a production, you grab hands, you
should,
hold them up and then you bow.
Edit that part out where I made a
cat.
plan of a swear.
Scary.
Oh, good.
No,
He's not scary, let's switch.
He bites.
Go. Morgan's not
And
that
he's
scary.
any better?
Hand. Okay. And we go up. And we My Bach. It's a good thing you're in a music class.
Yeah.